Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do another Costco food tasting. So today's food taste is for this vegetable pancake. When I bought it, I thought it's a kimchi pancake. I'm not sure whether they are the same or not. Let me look at the ingredients. So this is not the kimchi pancake, it's the vegetable pancake. But anyways, I'm going to do the food tasting for this one. So I got it from Costco, and it says there are 10 pieces inside. So let me open it now. Okay. So it looks like that inside with 10 pieces. It really smells good. Smells like deep fried some dough, and also I smell some vegetables. So it looks like that. So when you look at the ingredients, there are lots of addictive items as well. But anyway, we are doing a taste test today. So there are two cooking methods. One is by using the frying pan, and the other one is oven. I'm going to use the frying pan because it looks like using the frying pan is easier than using the oven. So now I'm going to go and cook it up. Let me try that. So I use fork and knife because it's easier to cut it. It smells so good. Okay, looks like that. Okay, can the camera take it? See, so pretty. I can see the chives and carrot. So let me try that. It's really good. It's exactly like those you order from the Korean restaurants. So I've had this before actually. So it tastes exactly like that. And it's just a little bit, the flavor is a little bit plain, not very salty, to my surprise. Because usually this kind of cooked food is very salty, but this one is not. So good. The cooking instruction is pan fry each side for 3 minutes, but I think actually it should not just say 3 minutes on each side. Maybe during that 3 minutes you actually have to really moving around and turn, because otherwise there's a risk of getting the surface burn. So when you look at my pan, you see that the fire is not evenly distributed to the saucepan. So one side has got the perfect color, the other side is a little bit burnt. So I think maybe we make it like 6 minutes in total, and during these 6 minutes we just slowly moving around and or turn sometimes to get the perfect color. maybe that's the best way of doing it, rather than you just leave it there for 3 minutes, get a timer on, and then after 3 minutes you just turn it to the other side for another 3 minutes. Also, I think like it is actually kind of like very oily. I think they've been deep fried it or pre-fried it or whatever previously. You saw me just put a little oil in the pan, but actually I think still like that little bit is too much. Maybe if you are using the non-stick pan, you can try just not to add the oil. See what's going on. If it's really too dry the first time, the next time you can add a little bit oil. So my next time, I will just heat up the pan and will not add any oil and see how it goes. So okay, that's all for this Costco food tasting. I hope you will like it. If you like it, please thumbs up and subscribe my channel. I will have more food tasting, cooking, restaurant visiting maybe in future. Okay, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.